Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Shi'Ree, owner of Printing Money. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, you're either watching this video because number one, you may already be working online, but you are not happy with the results that you currently have. So you are looking for a way to properly make money online as well as collect leads daily. Because we know that your business will not last long if you do not collect leads daily. Or you are here watching this video simply because you are looking for a way to get started with making money online. Whatever reason that you are here watching this video right now, be very happy because your life is about to change for the better once you start working with me. Now, let me show you exactly how I am able to make hundreds to even thousands of dollars or more a day while collecting hundreds to thousands of emails a day. Don't get me wrong, making money is very important while growing your business, but something that is very, very important as well is building your email list. It is so important for you to build an email list because people are not always going to opt in or take action the first time they see something. So no matter what service or product that you are trying to promote, people will not always take action the very first time they see it. That is why it is so important for you to collect their email before you show them the opportunity, the offer, or whatever you want to call it. Because if they do not take action the first time, you then have their email to follow up with them via email. Why do you think that all of these top companies want your email? And if you have given your email out, you more than likely get a ton of emails a day. They use email marketing because it is powerful, so you want to use email marketing too. Just think of how many emails these top businesses are collecting a day. You want to put yourself in the shoes of a top business, so you want to learn how you can collect hundreds or even thousands of emails a day. So you can then have a huge email list that you can sell literally anything to later on down the line. Now, today is March 2nd. Yesterday, I managed to make over $900 as well as collect over 3,800 emails on a $250 ad spend for the day. Okay? Now, as I am recording this, it is March the 2nd and it is 2:49 p.m. right now. And what I'm going to do is show you all my results for today. Where is my phone? Alrighty, so like I said, let me show y'all the date and the time. And what I'm going to do is show y'all the proof that I am actually doing what I am telling you all that I'm doing, okay? This is not me just talking, so I'm going to show you all proof. So, as you can see, I'm at 2851 emails collected so far today. I haven't refreshed the screen just yet, so that's what I'm going to do. Refresh, and I'm only zooming in so you guys won't see everything. As you can see, I have refreshed the screen and I am now at 2,922 emails collected so far today. And as you can see, it is only 2:50 p.m. I hope that you can see that. It is 2:50 p.m. and I've managed to collect over 2,900 emails so far today. On top of, I have made the screen just refreshed, so I can't refresh the screen for you, but I have made over $572 so far today. Hopefully you all can see that date. It says 3/2. You can see the time on my phone. $572 made so far. What I'm going to do is click the refresh button. Once again, can't show you everything. And there you have it. Boom. And you know what I could do is they have a refresh button right there, and I can just hit the refresh, and as you can see, it's refreshing, and this is 100% legitimate. So if you want to learn how to make hundreds to even thousands of dollars or more a day while collecting hundreds to thousands of emails / leads for your business a day, then I am going to leave a link below down for you to purchase my CPA training. Now, you do not have to use this training specifically for CPA. This training will teach you how to market literally anything, okay? So don't forget to visit my website, printingmoney.club/CPA. And if you have any questions, I will leave all of my contact information down below this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be bringing y'all more content. See y'all in the next video.